Hello friends, I am Professor Archana Wankhade from TSSM's Vivrabai Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Okay. So, I am Assistant Professor in Engineering Mathematics. So, today we will see some application of mathematics in the engineering. Okay. So, first we will see why mathematics is necessary for engineering. So, engineering mathematics is the art of applying mathematics to the complex real world problems. It combines the mathematical theory, practical engineering and scientific computing to address today's technological problem. So, to understand this, we will take one concept from the mathematics which you are aware of. It is the matrices. We know that matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers in rows as well as in column. So, firstly we will see what are rows and what are the columns. See, rows are nothing but the numbers which are written in horizontal line, and column elements are nothing but the numbers which are written in the vertical line. In the matrix, application is LED screens. Okay, so you know that how are the LED screens. So, on the LED screens, number of LEDs are arranged or applied in rows as well as in the column. Okay. So, this is one example of the LED screen. So, in this example, some LEDs are applied in rows, some LEDs are applied in the column. So, if you apply 7 segment component from the electronics, then you can make active some of the elements, you can make disable some of the elements. Okay. So, if you consider one matrix which is of order 5 by 15, that means if matrix contains 5 rows and 15 columns. So, this is one example of a matrix which is of order 5 by 15. So, in this matrix particularly I have taken zeros, which is the null matrix, to understand the concept. So, we will consider these zeros are nothing but the LEDs applied in rows and columns. So, if you make enable or on some of the LEDs and if you off some of the LEDs, okay, then you can make or display any of the letter. So, this is one example in which I have made some LEDs on and some LEDs off, so that it here becomes the name T S S M. Okay. So, in this way, this is one of the application of matrix in the engineering in the LED screen. Again, if you see your mobiles, so on your mobiles sometimes it may appear one number 1260 multiplied by 560. So, this number is nothing but the order of a matrix of which your screen of mobile is made. That means on the screen of your mobile these much of LEDs are applied, and if you make on and off some of the LEDs, then the information is displayed on your mobile screen. Okay. So, now I will take one more example of matrices in the engineering mathematics. Okay. So, next example we will see which is of the hockey match. So, this is the ground of hockey match. So, for understanding purpose we will consider this diagram of the ground in which I have considered four players A, B, C and D. Okay. So, we will consider that B has passed the ball towards C, again C has passed the ball towards B, then B has passed the ball towards A and A has passed the ball towards D. Okay. So, this information of passing of ball can be recorded in a matrix form. Okay, so to understand this, we will consider the arrangement that will write down the names of a player in a row and in a column. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D are the 4 players, and we know that A cannot pass ball towards A itself. So therefore, A in A here will be 0 number. B cannot pass ball towards B, so therefore there will be a 0. C cannot pass ball towards C, so it will be 0. D cannot pass ball towards D, so it will be 0. Okay. Then have A pass the ball towards B? No, A not pass the ball towards B. Did B has passed ball towards A or not? Okay, if you see the diagram, B has passed ball towards A. So therefore there will be 1. Then check, B has passed ball towards B. No, it is not possible. Does this B has passed ball towards C? Yes, B has passed the ball towards C. So therefore there will be a 1. Then check, B has passed a ball directly towards D. No, B had not passed the ball towards D. Okay, so therefore there will be 0. So in this way, this information of passing of a ball is recorded in the matrix form. Okay, and from this matrix you can draw some of the conclusions. So A, B, C, D are the players. So you can check consistency of any of the player. Which player is more consistent than the other player. Okay, so in this way the matrices are used in real life also. Okay, so these are the examples of matrices which are used in real life as well as in engineering field. Okay, so in the engineering mathematics is very much important. Okay, so you should know some of the basic concepts of the engineering mathematics. So now in the next session we will see some concepts and examples on this point matrices. Thank you.